Hello, dear students. So, today I am here to explain chapter number 1. In last classes, I have sent a worksheet of this chapter, the explanation of the worksheet. I hope you all have gone through it. You all have done the complete work in your notebook. Earlier, I have sent a link which is related with the chapter explanation through YouTube. So today I'm going to explain this chapter again from my side. So, unlike human beings, they are having different sense organs. The human beings, they have five sense organs: eyes, ears, skin, tongue, and nose. These five sense organs provide the important information about the things. So each sense organ is responsible to provide the important information about the certain things. So in the human beings we have seen, unlike human beings, they are also available in animals. In the category of animals, it may be the reptile animals, it may be birds. Clear? So, in this chapter, we are going to discuss the different sense organs, how they sense the things regarding the different animals. So, one by one, line to line, we are going to see. So, chapter number 1, super senses. Has this ever happened to you? So, what is the incident in this picture? What you are going to see that an eagle came to down and snatched the piece of bread or something else from these children. It means this is about the good eyesight of the eagle, which fly away far from the ground, but still it is capable to see the things which are available on the ground due to good eyesight. So this is about the good eyesight, good sense organ, eyes in the eagle. So eagle can have good eyesight. So this was about the eagle. Clear? Next incident. many time many time we move to the ground. So if a dog is sitting or sleeping on the road, and suppose beside the dogs you are passing from there, so the very little sound can be heard by the dog due to the strong sense of hearing. So this was about the speciality of the dogs, that they can hear the very low pitch sound. So if anybody is coming from besides them, so that's why they are having the good sense of hearing, so they can hear the particular sound. So this was about the dog. Next, you were eating in the playground, an eagle flew down and took away your roti. So this was about the eagle, about the good eyesight. Next, as you walked softly past a sleeping dog, its ears shot up at once. It means the dog can hear the very low pitch sound. So this was about the dog is having very good sense about the hearing, and an eagle is having the very good sense of eyesight. Clear? You drop something sweet on the ground, and within minutes, many ants collected around it. So, this was about the good sense of the smell, about the ants. So, in a very short time, the ants came to the ground towards, they are moving towards the food items, and they will give the information to another members to come there, and they eat together and they take away the food item from there. So we have seen about the ants, we have seen about the eagle, we have seen about the dog. So they are having different sense organs. So that is very important. Clear? Next, why does it happen? Think and tell. How does it happen? Let's see. Animals also have different senses. They can see, hear, taste, smell, feel. Some animals can see their prey from far away. Prey will be the food for them far away. Some can hear even the faintest sound. Faintest means very low pitch sound. Some animals can find their friends by their smell. The animal world is full of examples of amazing senses. So if we talk about the some animals can see their prey. So it is about the eagle. Good eyesight, clear. Some can hear even the faintest sound. It is about the dog. Next, the animal, some they are feeling the strong smell. So this is about the ant. So these are the special qualities of these type of animals that we have seen regarding their sense organs. Clear? Next, how did the ant recognize a friend? An ant was going along on the ground. It saw a group of ants coming from the other side. The first ant quickly came back to its hole. The ant guarding the hole recognized it and let it in. So first, a single ant will be moving towards the food item. Once they feel that that is safe and it can be eaten, so that's why it will provide the information to another family members to come there and to eat the food item together. So this was about the ant. Next, think and tell. How did the ant know that the other ants were not from its group? So this was about the strong sense of smell. It could only possible due to the strong sense of smell. How did the guard ant recognize this ant? How did the guard ant recognize this ant? By the strong sense of smell. Clear? Question next. Try this and write. Drop some sugar, jaggery, anything sweet on the ground. Wait until the ants come there. How long did it take for the ants to come? In a very short time, they will approach there. Did one ant come first or a group of ants came together? So did one ant come first? So at a time only one ant will go there, and if all the things are in safe manner, the single ant will inform to another family members, and the rest of the ants come there and they can eat food together. Clear? What did the ants do with the food? So they will try to bring the food items to their hole. So that's why they can enjoy the food item together. Next, where do they go from there? Where do they go from there? They will migrate towards their hole. Clear? Do they move in a line? Yes, they will be moving in a line, because if any type of danger is facing by the first ant, so the another ant will be informed about the danger, so that's why they can escape themselves from the danger. Clear? Now carefully, without harming the ants, block their path for a while with a pencil. So in this situation, what they will do? Now observe how do the ants move. So they will create another path beside the regular path, because they if they feel is if something which is coming from opposite side and that is regarding the danger, so they will take another path from the from the reason of the main path. So that's why they will choose another path and they will be migrating from their side. Clear? Many years ago, a scientist did many experiments like this. He found out that as the ants move, they leave a smell on the ground. The other ants follow the smell to find the way. What is given? Many years ago, a scientist did many experiments like this. He found out that as the ants move, they leave a smell on the ground. The other ants follow the smell to find the way. So this is about the strong sense of smell. So they recognize each other by their body smell. Now, can you guess why the ants behave like that when you block their path? Yes, because the danger is being observed by the ants by their strong sensation of the smell. Some male insects can recognize their females by their smell. Some male insects can recognize their females by their smell. It is the example in their community. Have you ever been troubled mosquitoes? Yes, many times if the electricity is not available inside the house and due to the humid environment, if the dirty water is lying there, so there is a huge chances to grow the microorganism and mosquitoes. So this type of situations have been created. Mosquitoes can find you by the smell of your body. They also find you by the smell of the sole of your feet and the heat of your body. So now the blood will be the food for them. So that's why they are trying to harm them. Clear? Next, I am a silkworm. I can find my female worm from many kilometers away by her smell. So this is about the strong sensation of the silkworm. Have you seen a dog sniffing here and there? What do you think it is trying to smell? As we know about dog is known as the faithful animal. Dogs mark out their own area on the road. They can make out if another dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or potty, that is called latrine. Dogs mark out their own area on the road. So each dog marks its area in its particular region because no other dog can allow to come there. They can make out if another dog has come into their area by the smell of its urine or potty. So this was about the strong sensation of the smell, and they immediately find that the if another area dog has come or not in that area. So that's why they will be alerted from the situation. Right? In what ways do human beings make use of this special sense of smell of dogs? So, this question we have done in the worksheet for detecting bombs, for detecting the stolen goods, and for detecting the thieves. So, in these activities, the dogs are very useful. When do you find your sense of smell helpful to you? List some examples like to know by its smell that food has gone bad or that something is burning. So this is due to the strong sense of smell. Name the animals that you would be able to recognize only by their smell without seeing them. Name the animals that you would be able to recognize only by their smell without seeing them. So it we can take the examples like cow, buffalo. These are the animals which whose smells we can recognize. Write the names of five things whose smell you like and five things whose smell you do not like. So you can prepare the list at your own level. In left hand side, what you will write, I like the smell of the things you like. I do not like the smell of the things which you don't like. So you can make your own list at your own level. Do you find and your friends have similar answers? So it can be varied, but you should make a list with your friends together. Discuss, do the clothes of any of your family members smell? Whose? Yes, at our home, we can smell the particular order of our family members because by smelling their shirts and another type of clothes like blazer. So if these type of smells we can recognize, so easily we can recognize without seeing them. Did you ever come across any smell in a crowded place such a fair, bus, train, etc.? Did you ever come across any smell? Yes, from the particular area. If we are passing through the slum area, so we might feel the due to the strong sensation of a smell that the particular order is bad or good. So immediately we cover our nose and mouth. Clear? So this was about the chapter, because we cannot complete the chapter in one video because it becomes too large, so that's why it will be facing a problem to be uploaded. So here we stop it. In next class the remaining portion of this chapter will be covered. So till then, keep studying. Have a nice day.